How to migrate data from an old Windows computer to a new computer when you buy a new HarmonyOS computer. It only takes 2 steps to quickly clone data, which is simple and fast, and there is no need to change phones. Before you begin, make sure you have the clone app installed on both computers. The first step is to pair the connection. On your new PC, click App Center in the bottom shortcut bar of the desktop, open Data Clone, select the type of old PC, and click Continue. At this time, the device name and pairing code will appear. Open PC Clone on your old computer and click This is the old computer. After selecting the name of the new device, enter the next step. Enter the pairing code just now to pair and connect. The second step is to migrate data. Check the data that needs to be migrated in the old computer. Click Start Migration. You can directly transfer the data. After the migration is completed, click to open the file location in the new computer, and continue to go to the file management to view the migrated data. Is it very convenient? More game skills? Try